Welcome back to NK Car, the channel where we bring you the hottest updates, latest designs, and most powerful machines from the world of American and international supercars. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the official unveiling of the next generation. 2026 Ferrari 498 GTB. This new series represents a breathtaking evolution in Ferrari's legacy, blending extreme performance with cutting-edge design and technology. The Ferrari 488 GTB has always been one of the most iconic mid-engine sports cars from the Italian brand. But for 2026, Ferrari has taken it to an entirely new level. The next generation 488 GTB is not just a facelift, it's a complete transformation. Every curve, every vent, and every design element has been re-engineered to make this car faster, smarter, and more aerodynamic than ever before. Ferrari engineers have worked tirelessly to combine race-inspired performance with futuristic design, and the results are nothing short of stunning. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Ferrari 488 GTB looks sharper and more aggressive than any of its predecessors. The front fascia now features slimmer LED headlights with a futuristic shape that blends seamlessly into the bodywork. The front bumper is sculpted to improve downforce, while the massive side air intakes channel air directly to the upgraded twin-turbo V8 engine. The new carbon fiber body panels reduce overall weight while increasing rigidity, giving this supercar an incredible balance between speed and control. The rear end now boasts a redesigned diffuser, active aerodynamic elements, and a stunning new LED light bar that stretches across the tail, giving it a modern yet unmistakably Ferrari look. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the engine. Ferrari continues to push boundaries with its legendary powertrains. Under the hood, the 2026 Ferrari 488 GTB packs a newly tuned 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces an astonishing 750 horsepower and 750 Nm of torque. This means the new 488 GTB can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.7 seconds and reach a top speed of over 340 km/h. Ferrari has also introduced a new hybrid assist system similar to what we've seen in the SF90 Stradale, adding electric power for instant torque response and improved efficiency. The new gearbox is a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that delivers seamless gear changes with precision and smoothness. Inside the cabin, Ferrari has combined luxury and technology in perfect harmony. The 2026 488 GTB features a fully digital cockpit with a customizable driver display, a redesigned steering wheel with touch-sensitive controls, and a minimalistic center console that emphasizes the driver's focus. High-quality leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber dominate the interior, giving the car a sense of exclusivity and racing heritage. The seats are lightweight but extremely comfortable, designed to hold you firmly even during aggressive cornering. Ferrari has also added advanced driver assist technologies to improve safety without compromising the pure driving experience. The sound experience has also been elevated. The new exhaust system delivers an emotional soundtrack that roars through every gear shift. Pure Ferrari magic that thrills your senses. Ferrari engineers have tuned the acoustics to ensure that the V8 engine retains its signature growl while meeting modern emission standards. When it comes to driving dynamics, the 2026 Ferrari 488 GTB features an all-new chassis setup, enhanced electronic stability control, and adaptive magnetic suspension. This combination allows the car to handle like a dream, whether you're attacking sharp corners on a racetrack or cruising down a highway. The steering feedback is sharper, the grip levels are higher, and the overall driving experience feels more connected and thrilling. Ferrari has also focused on customization for this generation. Buyers will be able to choose from a variety of exclusive color options, new alloy designs, and performance packages tailored to personal preferences. From Rosso Corsa to Nero Daytona, every color brings out the character of the car in its own unique way. In short, the 2026 Ferrari 488 GTB is not just another supercar. It's a statement of innovation, performance, and Italian craftsmanship. It redefines what a mid-engine Ferrari can be and sets a new benchmark for its competitors. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a collector, or simply someone who loves the sound of speed, this new 488 GTB is sure to leave you speechless. That's all for today's video on the next generation 2026 Ferrari 488 GTB officially unveiled. If you enjoyed the video, Don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts about this amazing machine. Subscribe to NK Car for more updates on the world's most exciting new cars. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.